Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a millionaire in a short period in FC Mobile Pro using the recent event trick. This method is available for a very limited time and will end soon. I'm not exactly sure when it will expire, but I expect it to be gone within a day or two. So hurry up guys. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel because your one subscription motivates me a lot. So guys, this event is crucial if you want to earn coins in FC Mobile 25 football game for a limited time. So first of all, let me explain about the event. So we all know about the new challenge event. So normally if we click on the play button, we'll see the challenge section. If we click on it and if we swipe left, we'll notice that a new challenge event has appeared. This event rewards us with a new icon player. This is the player, white color card. Okay, so if we check the market now, we'll see that, alright, I've already kept that player in my watch list. So this is the player. And if we click on this purchase button, we can see the price of this player. And we can see that this player is in high supply mode, which means we can take advantage of it. So let's see how to profit from this trick. To maximize profit, follow these steps. Buy this player at the cheapest price available and after then exchange the player in the in-game coin exchange section of FC Mobile 25. This is a super effective trick. I know I'm posting this video a bit late, but if you haven't tried this method yet, this guide will be very helpful for you. So guys, let's put this trick into action. So I'm just checking the recent price. And here we are getting these players for 4.4 million. Alright, so and in the same way we can exchange it from the exchange section of our game, selecting coins, swiping left and choosing 92 plus OVR player for 4.5 million coins. Just normally click on quick add and click on this exchange button for 4.5 million coin each time. That means we can make a huge amount of profit for every card. And in this section you can also use auto clicker. So normally I use a auto clicker and that's auto clicker. This is that auto clicker. Also normally you have to click on this enable button, go to the game again. So normally click on this plus icon, point it on this quick add button and give the value 40 for quick action and select 2, give the value 40. Okay, and now click on this play button and it is going to exchange automatically for yourself. That means you have to just buy them and the exchange method is totally automatic. And with this technique you can make billion coins, but you have to invest a little bit time. So that's all about the technique guys. I think you understood it very well. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. I don't know how much time will it stay. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope this tricks helps you make tons of coins in FC Mobile 25. I know that I'm uploading this video in very late. I'm sorry for this, but it was helpful for me. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.